Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to see anyone Instagram profile in full size. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. So here you will search any of the account like we will search site. So you will open any of the account, and here at the top you will simply tap on the profile picture. So this is the full profile picture you can see on the screen. So this is the simple process. It's very simple and easy process to see anyone Instagram profile picture in full size. So, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. And if you want to download this picture, you can easily take a screenshot and this picture will be saved in your phone gallery. So, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.